Ano ho ba yung sanction ninyong mga laro at anong hindi, no? For example, Philippine Basketball Association, it's under your supervision.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sanction nyo
sir.
po sila.
Yes.
Sa boxing naman po, sa professional, while the amateur ay sa NSA. Para alam po maintindihan ng publiko, ano ho ba ang GAB, ano ho ba ang PSC, ano ho ba ang NSA, ano ho ba ang POC. Kasi ito yung parang nalilito sila na tuwing may controversy, may away, may gulo. Hindi naman under sa amin yan. It's under the POC, it's under the NSA, it's under the PSC, it's under... Pag may problema, hindi kami naghahawak ng pera dyan. Ang naghahawak ng pera, it's the NSA. So, kanya-kanyang turuan pag may problema. So, importante rito, maintindihan po ng ating mga kababayan kung ano yung inyong mandate ng inyong opisina at ano yung sanction under your office. At kung may reklamo sila about game fixing, sa inyo, kayo bang magpapataw ng parusa? Because we have a pending bill right now, no? Itong anti-game fixing po sa basketball, which was filed by Senator Jinggoy Estrada. At napaka-importante po nito na ma-monitor nyo po itong game fixing. Dahil ayaw nga natin mahaluan ng kalokohan yung laro. Kaya nga po sports, to promote sportsmanship and camaraderie. Pag nahaluan na to ng game fixing kalokohan, mawawala na po yung essence ng sports. Wala nang thrill. Masisira talaga totally. The entire excitement would be destroyed na. Wala. Sayang po. So, kindly explain lang po anong mandate niyo po ng GAB.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. The general distinction between the area of jurisdiction of the Games and Amusements Board as against the Philippine Sports Commission is that the Games and Amusements Board regulate professional sports. By professional sports, under our definition, is that the athlete participating in the sport is either paid a salary or he will win a prize if he wins in the competition. Now, for amateur sports, those excluded within our jurisdiction, meaning if the athlete is not paid a salary or will not win a prize money for competing in that sport, that kind of sport would be under the regulation of the Philippine Sports Commission. So that's the general distinction, Mr. Chairman. Now, with respect to the regulation over game fixing, specifically basketball, the Games and Amusements Board adopt the policy of self-regulation. The first entity who would have or which would have a crack at regulating the conduct of their players would be the leagues that undertake or hold or hosts those games. Like in the case of basketball, the Philippine Basketball Association, if there are suspicions of game fixing, then it is the Philippine Basketball Association itself which would have the first crack in regulating the sport. Now, if the PBA's decision would be questioned either by the player or any party interested in the outcome of the investigation, then they can elevate the matter to the Games and Amusements Board. And the Games and Amusements Board can decide on the appeal.
May tanong lang po ako sa inyo, no? 2 years ago, itong si John Amores, di ba nanuntok siya ng mga players sa NCAA. And then, siyempre, bagong buhay daw, no? So, paano nyo nakokontrol o na-check kung meron bang ginagawang anong test ba o anger management na nakakapasa ba sila? Kasi narinig nyo naman just recently, no? Hindi na po nanuntok, namaril na po because of sa betting. So, sino dapat mag-sanction sa kanya? At sino ang dapat managot dito? Who will fine him? The PBA or the GAB? And sino re-revoke ng kanyang license since kayo ang nagbibigay ng lisensya sa kanya when he played for professional basketball. Iba po yun before kasi he played for NCAA. Under SBP siya. Am I correct? Before? So anong ginawa ng SBP noon? And then along the way, anong nangyari? Umabot siya ng PBA and then binigyan niyo po ng permit to play? Permit ba ang tawag dyan?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. With respect to the case of Mr. Amores, Mr. Raymond, we read in the papers the incident where he allegedly was involved in a shooting incident. And after reading these newspaper reports, we got in touch with the Philippine Basketball Association, specifically Commissioner what's his name? Willie Marcial, Mr. Chairman. And based on our discussion, we maintained the procedure that it would be the Philippine Basketball Association which would first investigate this matter. And the investigation could potentially involve his expulsion from the league. And once that's done, the Games and Amusements Board could, as a result, cancel his registration with us.
Question lang, bago siya nakakuha ng, before he was drafted, or bago siya nakapaglaro sa Philippine Basketball Association, professional league, under your supervision, anong kinuha niyang permit sa inyo bago siya nakapasa po?
He obtained, Mr. Chairman, a license, professional basketball license from the Games and Amusements Board. Now, his record was considered by the Games and Amusements Board, like his tendency towards violence, if, let's just say, he's not able to manage.
So na-evaluate niyo po ito?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, but
Pasado.
pumasa, Mr. Chairman, because
Pero alam niyo na meron na siyang hinabol noon sa court.
yes, Mr. Chairman, we have on record, Mr. Chairman, his undertaking, which in essence is that he would behave well if he's already accredited with the Games and Amusements Board. And at that time, before the shooting incident, the Games and Amusements Board was of the view that we have to give him the opportunity to rehabilitate himself. And on the strength of his undertaking, and there was also a statement that he would undergo therapy for anger management. And on that basis, he was issued a license.
Pumasa siya sa therapy?
That, Mr. Chairman, we were not able to do a follow-up check. What we had in the basis of, as our basis for issuing the license was that he had this undertaking to undergo all this procedure, Mr. Chairman.
Pero ang tanong ko dyan, kung pumasa ba siya sa inyong, sa lahat ng requirements, pumasa ba siya dun sa therapy ng anger management? Kasi still, ginawa niya pa rin. So, may problema talaga.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Kayo po yung naniniwala na may problema po siya sa anger management?
Yes, Mr. Chairman. On the basis of his past conduct, it appeared to the Games and Amusements Board that that was still manageable. And again, in the interest of giving him the opportunity to play for the professional leagues, and on the strength of his undertaking, we gave him a license. Now, at present, considering the gravity of the offense that he committed at this time, the same argument probably would no longer work for him, Mr. Chairman.
Baka pwede niyong ma-check yan, not only sa Philippine Basketball Association, sa ligang yan, no? Check nyo na po ng mabuti before you issue permits, no? To play. Importante itong pumasa ba siya sa mental health or sa anger management. Importante po yan dahil delikado. Di lang yung naglalaro. How about the public, the viewing public, kung meron po problema? So, kindly strengthen nyo po yan. Pag-aralan nyo po ng mabuti at hindi po ito maulit, no? Ako, kung kakailanganing imbestigahan natin ito, hindi maulit. But at your level, it's your mandate to check before you issue permits. Ay tingnan nyo po itong issue about anger management. Kasi may previous ano na meron ng nangyaring insidente na gano'n. Ibig sabihin, nandiya diyan yung tendency. So, buti na lang na hindi tinamaan. What if namatay yung binaril? Saka pa tayo magsisisihan na naman, tapos na. May nangyari na. Kindly strengthen your rules or your policy. Prevention importante dito, maiwasan muna. Para hindi tayo magsisihan sa huli. Importante prevention. Strengthen your policy, please.
We will do that.
Sa GAB. And work closely with the Philippine Basketball Association. Not only sa Philippine Basketball Association. Dami po mga paliga ngayon na I think it's under your supervision. Yung mga palaro sa mga probinsya. Ano, like aside from Professional Basketball Association, ano po ang under sa inyo?
We have MPBL also, Mr. Chairman.
Importante 'yon Kasi daming viewing public doon, daming nanonood. Kung may problema doon, nagkabarilan doon, saka pa magkasisihan tayo. Tingnan niyo po ng mabuti. Not only PBA but lahat po. Dapat po dumaan sa tamang maayos na proseso bago kayo mag-issue ng permit.
We will do that, Mr. Chairman.
And it is your mandate po na tingnan na mabuti.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.